Welcome to this review for the AWS Machine Learning Engineer Associate Certification Exam, brought to you by Birdsey, your AI study partner. In this video, we'll break down data collection and feature engineering, training and tuning models with SageMaker, deployment and troubleshooting workflows on AWS, and more. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exam prep, and watch what's happening in the lower corner. It could be key to your success. Let's dive in.
Data preparation for machine learning. Ingest and store data. What is the primary purpose of using a data lake in machine learning data preparation? Is it A, to store large volumes of raw data in its native format? B, to provide real-time data processing capabilities? C, to ensure data is always structured and cleaned? Or D, to replace traditional data warehouses? The answer is A, to store large volumes of raw data in its native format. A data lake is used to store large volumes of raw data in its native format, which is essential for flexible data exploration and preparation in machine learning. A company wants to ingest streaming data from IoT devices for real-time analysis. Which AWS service should they use to efficiently handle this data ingestion? Is it A, Amazon S3, B, Amazon Kinesis, C, AWS Glue, or D, Amazon Redshift? The answer is B, Amazon Kinesis. Amazon Kinesis is designed for real-time data streaming, making it suitable for ingesting data from IoT devices for immediate processing and analysis.
Have you noticed the code in the bottom corner? Next time you're stumped, take that code to birdsey.ai for immediate help and a free study session with Birdsey, your personal AI study partner. Plus, you'll get access to hundreds of additional questions, helping you move closer to passing your exam with confidence. The next time you're feeling unsure or stuck, give it a try.
Which AWS service is primarily used for transforming and preparing data for machine learning? Is it A, Amazon S3, B, Amazon Kinesis, C, AWS Glue, or D, Amazon SageMaker? The answer is C, AWS Glue. AWS Glue is a managed ETL service that helps in transforming and preparing data for analysis and machine learning. When storing data for machine learning, why might you choose a columnar storage format like Parquet? Is it A, to reduce data redundancy, B, to ensure data is always encrypted, C, to support real-time data processing, or D, to optimize performance for analytical queries? The answer is D, to optimize performance for analytical queries. Why this question may seem a bit tricky, columnar formats like Parquet optimize for analytical queries by storing data column-wise, which can improve performance for specific query patterns. What is the role of Amazon S3 in data preparation for machine learning? Is it A, to perform real-time data analytics, B, to store and retrieve large volumes of data, C, to automate data transformation processes, or D, to deploy machine learning models? The answer is B, to store and retrieve large volumes of data. Amazon S3 is a scalable storage service used to store and retrieve any amount of data, making it a key component in data preparation workflows. Which AWS service is commonly used to store large datasets for machine learning purposes? Is it A, Amazon S3, B, AWS Lambda, C, Amazon EC2, or D, Amazon RDS? The answer is A, Amazon S3. Amazon S3 is widely used for storing large datasets due to its scalability, durability, and integration with other AWS services. What is the main advantage of using AWS Glue for data preparation? Is it A, It provides real-time data streaming. B. It automates data discovery and transformation. C. It offers a high-performance computing environment. 2. Or D. It provides a relational database service. The answer is B. It automates data discovery and transformation. AWS Glue automates the process of data discovery, transformation, and cataloging, making it easier to prepare data for analysis, transform data, and perform feature engineering. What is the primary purpose of feature scaling in data preparation for machine learning? Is it A, to increase the dataset size, B, to ensure features contribute equally to the model, C, to remove outliers from the data, or D, to improve data visualization? The answer is B, to ensure features contribute equally to the model. Feature scaling ensures that all features contribute equally to the result, preventing features with larger ranges from dominating the model's learning process. Which technique is used to transform categorical variables into numerical values? Is it A, one-hot encoding, B, normalization, C, dimensionality reduction, or D, feature selection? The answer is A, one-hot encoding. One-hot encoding converts categorical variables into a format that can be provided to ML algorithms to do a better job in prediction. What is the main goal of feature engineering in machine learning? Is it A, to reduce the dataset size, B, to eliminate missing values, C, to improve model performance, or D, to increase computational efficiency? The answer is C, to improve model performance. Feature engineering aims to create new input features from existing ones to improve model performance. A data scientist is working with a dataset containing dates. What transformation should they apply to use these dates effectively in a machine learning model? Is it A, convert dates to strings, B, remove date columns, C, normalize date values, or D, extract features like year, month, day? The answer is D, extract features like year, month, day. Extracting components like year, month, and day from dates can help the model learn patterns related to time. Why might a machine learning model perform poorly even after extensive feature engineering? Is it A, the data is perfectly balanced, B, the model is not well tuned, C, the features are too numerous, or D, the dataset is too large? The answer is B, the model is not well tuned. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. Feature engineering improves data quality, but model performance also depends on algorithm choice, data quality, and hyperparameters. What is the purpose of one-hot encoding in feature engineering? Is it A, to scale numerical features, B, to convert categorical variables into numerical format, C, to reduce dimensionality, or D, to handle missing values? The answer is B, to convert categorical variables into numerical format. One-hot encoding is used to convert categorical variables into a format that can be provided to machine learning algorithms to do a better job in prediction. Which method is commonly used to handle missing data in a dataset? Is it A, normalization, B, one-hot encoding, C, imputation, or D, feature scaling? The answer is C, imputation. Imputation is a common method to handle missing data by filling in missing values with estimates.
If you're finding this helpful, please take a minute to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more practice exams, useful tips, and complimentary study sessions with Birdsey.
Ensure data integrity and prepare data for modeling. What is the primary purpose of data normalization in machine learning? Is it A, To increase the dataset size. B. To scale features to a standard range. C. To remove outliers from the dataset. Or D. To ensure data integrity. The answer is B. To scale features to a standard range. Normalization scales the data to a standard range, typically 0 to 1, which helps in improving the convergence speed of gradient descent algorithms. Which technique is used to handle missing data by filling in missing values with the mean of the column? Is it A. Mean imputation, B. Median imputation, C. Mode imputation, or D. K-nearest neighbors imputation? The answer is A. Mean imputation. Mean imputation replaces missing values with the mean of the column, which is a simple and common technique. What is the main goal of data cleaning in the context of machine learning? Is it A. To increase the dataset size, B. To improve model complexity, C. To ensure data quality and accuracy, or D. To enhance data visualization? The answer is C. To ensure data quality and accuracy. Data cleaning aims to correct or remove inaccurate records from a dataset, ensuring the quality and accuracy of the data used for modeling. You are preparing a dataset for a machine learning model and notice several columns with missing values. What is a suitable first step to handle these missing values? Is it A. Immediately remove all rows with missing values, B. Fill missing values with zeros, C. Replace missing values with random numbers, or D. Analyze the pattern of missing data? The answer is D. Analyze the pattern of missing data. Identifying the pattern and extent of missing data helps determine the best imputation method or whether to remove the data. In data preparation, why might one choose to use feature scaling even if the algorithm is not sensitive to feature scales? Is it A. To reduce the dataset size, B. To improve numerical stability, C. To increase model complexity, or D. To ensure data integrity? The answer is B. To improve numerical stability. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. Feature scaling is often associated with algorithms sensitive to scale, but it can also improve numerical stability and convergence speed. What is the purpose of data imputation in machine learning? Is it A. To remove outliers from the dataset, B. To fill in missing values in the dataset, C. To standardize the scale of features, or D. To encode categorical variables? The answer is B. To fill in missing values in the dataset. Data imputation is used to fill in missing values in a dataset, ensuring that the data is complete and can be used effectively for modeling. Which method is commonly used to detect and handle outliers in a dataset? Is it A. Normalization, B. Imputation, C. Z-score, or D. One-hot encoding? The answer is C. Z-score. The Z-score method is commonly used to detect outliers by measuring how many standard deviations a data point is from the mean. ML model development. Choose a modeling approach. Which type of machine learning model is best suited for predicting a continuous numerical value? Is it A. Regression, B. Classification, C. Clustering, or D. Dimensionality reduction? The answer is A. Regression. Regression models are designed to predict continuous numerical values, unlike classification models which predict categorical outcomes. What is the primary advantage of using ensemble methods in machine learning? Is it A. Faster training times, B. Improved accuracy, C. Simpler model interpretation, or D. Reduced data requirements? The answer is B, improved accuracy. Ensemble methods combine multiple models to improve accuracy and robustness compared to individual models. Which machine learning approach is most suitable for identifying patterns in unlabeled data? Is it A, supervised learning, B, reinforcement learning, C, unsupervised learning, or D, semi-supervised learning? The answer is C, unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is used to identify patterns in data without predefined labels. A company wants to group customers based on purchasing behavior to tailor marketing strategies. Which modeling approach should they use? Is it A, regression, B, classification, C, dimensionality reduction, or D, clustering? The answer is D, clustering. Clustering is ideal for grouping similar data points, such as customers with similar purchasing behaviors. Which machine learning model is inherently interpretable and often used as a baseline due to its simplicity? Is it A, linear regression, B, neural networks, C, support vector machines, or D, random forest? The answer is A, linear regression. Why this question may seem a bit tricky, decision trees are interpretable, but linear regression is simpler and often used as a baseline. Which machine learning model is typically used for classification tasks involving high-dimensional data? Is it A, support vector machine, B, linear regression, C, k-means clustering, or D, decision tree? The answer is A, support vector machine. Support vector machines are effective for high-dimensional spaces and are commonly used for classification tasks. A healthcare provider wants to predict patient readmission rates based on historical data. Which modeling approach should they consider? Is it A, k-nearest neighbors, B, logistic regression, C, principal component analysis, or D, random forest? The answer is B, logistic regression. Logistic regression is suitable for binary classification tasks, such as predicting readmission, yes-no. Train ML models and perform hyperparameter optimization. What is the primary purpose of hyperparameter optimization in machine learning? Is it A, to maximize model performance, B, to reduce model complexity, C, to increase training speed, or D, to ensure model interpretability? The answer is A, to maximize model performance. Hyperparameter optimization aims to find the best set of hyperparameters that maximize the performance of a machine learning model on a given dataset. Which of the following is a common method for hyperparameter optimization? Is it A, random sampling, B, grid search, C, gradient descent, or D, cross-validation? The answer is B, grid search. Grid search is a systematic method for hyperparameter optimization, testing all possible combinations of specified parameters. Which metric is commonly used to evaluate the performance of a classification model during hyperparameter tuning? Is it A, mean squared error, B, log loss, C, accuracy, or D, R squared? The answer is C, accuracy. Accuracy is a common metric for evaluating classification models, reflecting the proportion of correctly predicted instances. You are training a neural network and notice overfitting. Which hyperparameter adjustment could help reduce overfitting? Is it A, decrease learning rate, B, increase batch size, C, decrease number of layers, or D, increase dropout rate? The answer is D, increase dropout rate. Increasing dropout rate can help reduce overfitting by preventing the model from relying too heavily on any one feature. When performing hyperparameter tuning, why might you choose random search over grid search? Is it A, it guarantees finding the optimal hyperparameters? B, it can be more efficient in high-dimensional spaces? C, it requires less computational power? Or D, it is easier to implement? The answer is B, it can be more efficient in high-dimensional spaces. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. Random search can be more efficient than grid search because it explores a larger hyperparameter space with fewer evaluations, potentially finding better configurations. What is the role of a validation set in hyperparameter optimization? Is it A, to evaluate model performance during tuning? B, to train the model with different hyperparameters? C, to test the model's final performance? Or D, to store hyperparameter configurations? The answer is A, to evaluate model performance during tuning. The validation set is used to evaluate the model's performance during hyperparameter tuning, helping to select the best hyperparameters without overfitting to the training data. Which technique is often used to prevent overfitting in machine learning models? Is it A, data augmentation? B, regularization? C, feature scaling? Or D, batch normalization? The answer is B, regularization. Regularization techniques like L1 and L2 are commonly used to prevent overfitting by adding a penalty to the loss function. Evaluate ML models. What is the primary purpose of using a confusion matrix in evaluating machine learning models? Is it A, to determine the model's accuracy? B, to evaluate the model's performance across different classes? C, to visualize the model's decision boundary? Or D, to optimize the model's hyperparameters? The answer is B, to evaluate the model's performance across different classes. A confusion matrix provides a detailed breakdown of the model's performance by showing true positives, false positives, true negatives, and false negatives. Which metric is most suitable for evaluating a model when the classes are imbalanced? Is it A, accuracy? B, mean squared error? C, F1 score? Or D, ROC AUC? The answer is C, F1 score. F1 score is a harmonic mean of precision and recall, making it suitable for imbalanced classes. What does the ROC curve illustrate in model evaluation? Is it A, the trade-off between true positive rate and false positive rate? B, the model's accuracy over time? C, the precision recall trade-off? Or D, the model's decision boundary? The answer is A, the trade-off between true positive rate and false positive rate. The ROC curve plots the true positive rate against the false positive rate at various threshold settings. You have a model with high precision but low recall. What does this indicate about the model's performance? Is it A, the model predicts many false positives? B, the model has a balanced performance? C, the model predicts many false negatives? Or D, the model is conservative in predicting positives? The answer is D, the model is conservative in predicting positives. High precision and low recall indicate the model is good at predicting positives correctly, but misses many actual positives. In evaluating a model, why might a high accuracy not always indicate good performance? Is it A, accuracy always indicates good performance? B, accuracy can be misleading with imbalanced data? C, accuracy is irrelevant in model evaluation? Or D, accuracy is the only metric needed? The answer is B, accuracy can be misleading with imbalanced data. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. High accuracy can be misleading, especially with imbalanced datasets where the model might predict the majority class well but fail on the minority class. What is the purpose of using cross-validation in evaluating machine learning models? Is it A, to assess the model's generalization ability, B, to increase the model's accuracy, C, to reduce the model's complexity, or D, to eliminate bias in the dataset? The answer is A, to assess the model's generalization ability. Cross-validation helps in assessing the model's ability to generalize to an independent dataset, reducing overfitting by using different subsets of the data for training and validation. Which metric is used to evaluate the performance of a regression model? Is it A, F1 score, B, mean squared error, C, confusion matrix, or D, ROC AUC? The answer is B, mean squared error. Mean squared error is a common metric for evaluating regression models, measuring the average squared difference between predicted and actual values.
If you're finding this helpful, please take a minute to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more practice exams, useful tips, and complimentary study sessions with Birdsey.
Deployment and orchestration of ML workflows. Build ML solutions for performance, availability, scalability, resiliency, and fault tolerance. What is a primary benefit of using container orchestration tools like Kubernetes in ML workflows? Is it A, improved model accuracy, B, automated scaling and management, C, reduced data pre-processing time, or D, enhanced data security? The answer is B, automated scaling and management. Container orchestration tools like Kubernetes automate the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications, enhancing scalability and reliability. Which AWS service is specifically designed for deploying machine learning models at scale? Is it A, Amazon SageMaker, B, AWS Lambda, C, Amazon RDS, or D, AWS CloudFormation? The answer is A, Amazon SageMaker. Amazon SageMaker is designed to build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale, providing a fully managed service. What is the role of a load balancer in an ML deployment architecture? Is it A, to increase model accuracy, B, to manage data preprocessing, C, to distribute traffic and enhance availability, or D, to secure data transmission? The answer is C, to distribute traffic and enhance availability. A load balancer distributes incoming network traffic across multiple servers to ensure no single server is overwhelmed, enhancing availability and fault tolerance. A company needs to ensure their ML model deployment can handle sudden spikes in user demand. Which AWS feature should they use to automatically adjust resources? Is it A, AWS IAM, B, AWS CloudTrail, C, AWS Direct Connect, or D, auto scaling? The answer is D, auto scaling. Auto scaling automatically adjusts the number of compute resources based on demand, ensuring the application can handle traffic spikes efficiently. In a distributed ML system, what is a potential downside of using synchronous communication between services? Is it A, reduced fault tolerance, B, increased latency and bottlenecks, C, improved scalability, or D, enhanced data security? The answer is B, increased latency and bottlenecks. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. Synchronous communication can lead to increased latency and potential bottlenecks, as services must wait for responses, which can affect performance. What is the primary purpose of using a service mesh in a microservices-based ML deployment? Is it A, to store large data sets efficiently, B. To manage service-to-service communication. C. To deploy machine learning models. Or D. To provide user authentication. The answer is B. To manage service-to-service communication. A service mesh provides a dedicated infrastructure layer for handling service-to-service communication, which enhances observability, security, and reliability. Which strategy is most effective for ensuring high availability in an ML model deployment? Is it A. Deploying across multiple availability zones? B. Using a single powerful server? C. Implementing a caching layer? Or D. Increasing the number of model parameters? The answer is A. Deploying across multiple availability zones. Deploying models across multiple availability zones ensures that if one zone fails, others can continue to serve requests. Recommend and implement appropriate ML services and features. Which AWS service is primarily used for deploying machine learning models at scale? Is it A. Amazon SageMaker? B. AWS Lambda? C. Amazon EC2? Or D. AWS Glue? The answer is A. Amazon SageMaker. Amazon SageMaker is designed to build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale, making it the primary choice for this task. What feature of Amazon SageMaker helps in automating the deployment of machine learning models? Is it A. SageMaker Studio? B. SageMaker Pipelines? C. SageMaker Ground Truth? Or D. SageMaker Neo? The answer is B. SageMaker Pipelines. SageMaker Pipelines is a feature that automates the deployment of ML models, making it easier to manage workflows. Which AWS service can be used to orchestrate complex machine learning workflows? Is it A. Amazon RDS? B. Amazon CloudWatch? C. AWS Step Functions? Or D. AWS Batch? The answer is C. AWS Step Functions. AWS Step Functions is used to orchestrate complex workflows, including those involving machine learning tasks. A company needs to deploy a machine learning model that requires real-time inference with low latency. Which AWS service should they use? Is it A. Amazon EMR? B. AWS Glue? C. Amazon S3? Or D. Amazon SageMaker Endpoint? The answer is D. Amazon SageMaker Endpoint. Amazon SageMaker Endpoint is ideal for deploying models that require real-time inference with low latency. Which AWS service is not typically involved in the deployment of machine learning models? Is it A. Amazon SageMaker? B. AWS Lambda? C. AWS Step Functions? Or D. Amazon ECS? The answer is B. AWS Lambda. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. AWS Lambda can be used in ML workflows for event-driven tasks, but it is not typically used for deploying models directly. Which AWS service is designed to simplify the process of building, training, and deploying machine learning models? Is it A. Amazon SageMaker? B. AWS Lambda? C. AWS Glue? Or D. Amazon EC2? The answer is A. Amazon SageMaker. Amazon SageMaker is specifically designed to streamline the entire machine learning workflow from building to deployment. What feature of Amazon SageMaker allows for the automatic tuning of hyperparameters? Is it A. Model monitoring? B. Hyperparameter tuning? C. Data wrangler? Or D. Feature store? The answer is B. Hyperparameter tuning. Amazon SageMaker hyperparameter tuning helps optimize model performance by automatically adjusting hyperparameters. Apply basic AWS security practices to ML solutions. What AWS service can be used to manage access permissions for ML models deployed on AWS? Is it A, AWS Identity and Access Management, B, AWS CloudTrail, C, AWS Lambda, or D, AWS CloudFormation? The answer is A, AWS Identity and Access Management. AWS Identity and Access Management allows you to manage access permissions securely for AWS resources, including ML models. Which AWS service provides encryption for data at rest in ML workflows? Is it A, AWS IAM, B, AWS Key Management Service, C, AWS CloudWatch, or D, AWS S3? The answer is B, AWS Key Management Service. AWS Key Management Service provides encryption for data at rest, ensuring data security in ML workflows. What is the primary purpose of AWS security groups in ML deployments? Is it A, to manage user access permissions, B, to encrypt data at rest, C, to control inbound and outbound traffic, or D, to automate resource provisioning? The answer is C, to control inbound and outbound traffic. Security groups act as virtual firewalls to control inbound and outbound traffic to AWS resources, enhancing security. You are deploying an ML model on AWS and need to ensure that only specific IP addresses can access the endpoint. Which AWS feature should you use? Is it A, AWS IAM roles, B, AWS KMS, C, AWS CloudTrail, or D, AWS security groups? The answer is D, AWS security groups. Security groups allow you to specify IP address ranges that can access your resources, providing controlled access. When securing ML solutions on AWS, which practice is not recommended? Is it A, using IAM roles for resource access, B, using root account credentials for daily tasks, C, enabling logging with CloudTrail, or D, encrypting data with KMS? The answer is B, using root account credentials for daily tasks. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. Using root account credentials is a common mistake. It's important to use IAM roles instead for better security management. Which AWS service is primarily used to manage user access and permissions for ML solutions? Is it A, AWS Identity and Access Management, B, AWS CloudTrail, C, AWS Key Management Service, or D, AWS Shield? The answer is A, AWS Identity and Access Management. AWS Identity and Access Management is used to manage access and permissions for AWS resources, including ML solutions. What AWS feature can be used to encrypt data in transit for ML workflows? Is it A, AWS WAF, B, SSL TLS, C, AWS Secrets Manager, or D, AWS Cloud HSM? The answer is B, SSL TLS. AWS provides SSL TLS for encrypting data in transit, ensuring secure communication between clients and servers. Deploy and operationalize ML solutions. What is the primary purpose of using a container orchestration tool like Kubernetes in ML deployment? Is it A, to automate deployment and scaling of applications, B, to write machine learning models, C, to perform data pre-processing, or D, to enhance model accuracy? The answer is A, to automate deployment and scaling of applications. Container orchestration tools like Kubernetes automate the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications, ensuring efficient resource utilization and high availability. Which AWS service is specifically designed for deploying machine learning models at scale? Is it A, AWS Lambda, B, Amazon SageMaker, C, Amazon EC2, or D, AWS Glue? The answer is B, Amazon SageMaker. Amazon SageMaker is an AWS service that provides tools for building, training, and deploying machine learning models at scale. What is a key benefit of using a CI/CD pipeline in ML model deployment? Is it A, increases model accuracy, B, reduces data pre-processing time, C, automates integration and deployment processes, or D, improves data visualization? The answer is C, automates integration and deployment processes. CI/CD pipelines automate the integration and deployment process, reducing manual errors and ensuring consistent and reliable updates to ML models. You need to deploy a machine learning model that requires high availability and scalability. Which AWS service should you choose to meet these requirements? Is it A, AWS Batch, B, Amazon RDS, C, AWS Elastic Beanstalk, or D, Amazon SageMaker? The answer is D, Amazon SageMaker. Amazon SageMaker is designed to handle high availability and scalability for ML models, making it suitable for such deployment needs. In deploying ML models, why might you choose a serverless architecture over traditional server-based deployment? Is it A, for better control over server resources, B, to achieve automatic scaling and cost efficiency, C, to ensure dedicated server resources, or D, to simplify data pre-processing? The answer is B, to achieve automatic scaling and cost efficiency. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. Serverless architecture offers scalability and cost efficiency, but it might be confused with traditional methods that require constant server management. What is the primary role of a feature store in the deployment of ML models? Is it A, to store and manage features for ML models, B, to deploy ML models to production, C, to handle data pre-processing tasks, or D, to monitor ML model performance? The answer is A, to store and manage features for ML models. A feature store centralizes and manages features, ensuring consistency and reusability across different ML models and deployments. Which tool is commonly used for automating the deployment of ML models in a cloud environment? Is it A, Jupyter Notebook, B, Terraform, C, or D, scikit-learn? The answer is B, Terraform. Terraform is widely used for automating infrastructure deployment, including ML models in cloud environments. ML solution monitoring, maintenance, and security. Monitor model inference. What is the primary purpose of monitoring model inference in machine learning solutions? Is it A, to ensure model performance and detect issues like drift, B, to increase the speed of model training, C, to reduce the size of the model, or D, to enhance data pre-processing techniques? The answer is A, to ensure model performance and detect issues like drift. Monitoring model inference ensures that the model performs as expected in production, identifying issues like drift or performance degradation. Which metric is commonly used to monitor the latency of model inference? Is it A, accuracy, B, response time, C, throughput, or D, precision? The answer is B, response time. Latency is often measured using response time, which indicates how quickly a model returns results. A deployed model shows a sudden drop in accuracy. What should you check first to diagnose the issue? Is it A, model architecture, B, hyperparameters, C, data drift, or D, training dataset? The answer is C, data drift. Checking for data drift is crucial as it can cause a model's performance to degrade if the input data distribution changes. What is a common tool used for monitoring model inference in AWS? Is it A, AWS Lambda, B, AWS S3, C, AWS EC2, or D, Amazon CloudWatch? The answer is D, Amazon CloudWatch. Amazon CloudWatch is widely used for monitoring AWS resources, including model inference metrics. Why might a model's inference performance appear to degrade even if the model itself hasn't changed? Is it A, the model's hyperparameters have been altered, B, there is data drift affecting input data distribution, C, the model's architecture has been modified, or D, the training dataset has been updated? The answer is B, there is data drift affecting input data distribution. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. Performance issues can arise from external factors like data drift or infrastructure changes, not just model alterations. What is a key benefit of monitoring model inference in machine learning solutions? Is it A, ensures model performance in real-world conditions, B, reduces the need for data preprocessing, C, increases model training speed, or D, eliminates the need for model retraining? The answer is A, ensures model performance in real-world conditions. Monitoring model inference helps ensure that the model performs as expected in real-world conditions, allowing for timely detection of issues like drift or performance degradation. Which tool is commonly used for monitoring model inference in Google Cloud? Is it A, AWS CloudWatch, B, Google Cloud Monitoring, C, Azure Monitor, or D, Datadog? The answer is B, Google Cloud Monitoring. Google Cloud Monitoring is a service that provides visibility into the performance, uptime, and overall health of cloud-powered applications, including model inference. Monitor and optimize infrastructure and costs. What is the primary benefit of using AWS Cost Explorer for monitoring ML infrastructure costs? Is it A, it provides detailed insights into spending patterns, B, it automatically reduces costs by 20%, C, it integrates with AWS Lambda for cost alerts, or D, it provides security alerts for cost anomalies? The answer is A, it provides detailed insights into spending patterns. AWS Cost Explorer helps visualize and manage costs by providing detailed insights into spending patterns, making it easier to optimize resource usage. Which AWS service can be used to set up alerts for unexpected increases in ML infrastructure costs? Is it A, AWS CloudWatch, B, AWS Budgets, C, AWS Trusted Advisor, or D, AWS Config? The answer is B, AWS Budgets. AWS Budgets allows users to set custom cost and usage budgets, providing alerts when thresholds are exceeded. What is the role of AWS Trusted Advisor in optimizing ML infrastructure costs? Is it A, it automatically scales down unused resources, B, it provides detailed billing reports, C, it offers cost optimization recommendations, or D, it manages security groups for cost efficiency? The answer is C, it offers cost optimization recommendations. AWS Trusted Advisor provides recommendations to optimize costs, improve performance, and enhance security. Your ML model's inference costs have unexpectedly doubled. Which AWS service should you use to analyze and understand this cost increase? Is it A, AWS Lambda, B, AWS Cloud Trail, C, AWS Config, or D, AWS Cost Explorer? The answer is D, AWS Cost Explorer. AWS Cost Explorer provides detailed insights into cost increases, helping identify the cause of unexpected expenses. When monitoring ML infrastructure costs, why might relying solely on AWS CloudWatch metrics be misleading? Is it A, CloudWatch provides real-time cost data, B, it lacks detailed cost insights, C, it integrates with AWS budgets for cost alerts, or D, it automatically optimizes resource costs? The answer is B, it lacks detailed cost insights. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. CloudWatch provides performance metrics, but not detailed cost insights. Relying solely on it may overlook cost-specific data available in other services, like AWS Cost Explorer. What AWS service provides detailed billing reports to help monitor ML infrastructure costs? Is it A, AWS Cost and Usage Reports, B, AWS Cloud Trail, C, AWS Config, or D, AWS Lambda? The answer is A, AWS Cost and Usage Reports. AWS Cost and Usage Reports provide comprehensive billing data, allowing users to analyze and manage costs effectively. Which AWS service helps in forecasting future ML infrastructure costs? Is it A, AWS CloudFormation, B, AWS Cost Explorer, C, AWS IAM, or D, AWS S3? The answer is B, AWS Cost Explorer. AWS Cost Explorer provides tools to forecast future costs based on historical data. Secure AWS resources. What is the primary purpose of using AWS Identity and Access Management in securing ML solutions? Is it A, to manage access to AWS services and resources securely, B, to monitor the performance of ML models, C, to automate ML model deployment, or D, to provide data encryption services? The answer is A, to manage access to AWS services and resources securely. IAM is used to manage access to AWS services and resources securely. It allows you to create and manage AWS users and groups and use permissions to allow and deny their access to AWS resources. Which AWS service is primarily used for monitoring and logging activities in your AWS environment? Is it A, AWS IAM, B, Amazon CloudWatch, C, AWS Lambda, or D, AWS S3? The answer is B, Amazon CloudWatch. Amazon CloudWatch is used for monitoring and logging AWS resources and applications. It provides data and actionable insights to monitor applications, respond to system-wide performance changes, and optimize resource utilization. What is the role of AWS Key Management Service in securing ML solutions? Is it A, to manage user identities and permissions, B, to deploy machine learning models, C, to monitor ML model performance, or D, to create and manage encryption keys for data protection? The answer is D, to create and manage encryption keys for data protection. AWS KMS is used to create and control the encryption keys used to encrypt data. It integrates with other AWS services to protect data at rest and in transit. You are deploying an ML model on AWS and need to ensure data in transit is secure. Which AWS service should you use to encrypt data in transit? Is it A, AWS IAM, B, AWS KMS, C, AWS Certificate Manager, or D, Amazon CloudWatch? The answer is C, AWS Certificate Manager. AWS Certificate Manager is used to provision, manage, and deploy SSL TLS certificates, which are essential for encrypting data in transit. In AWS, which service is responsible for providing detailed logging of API calls made to your account? Is it A, Amazon CloudWatch, B, AWS CloudTrail, C, AWS Config, or D, AWS Lambda? The answer is B, AWS CloudTrail. Why this question may seem a bit tricky, AWS CloudTrail logs API calls, which might be confused with CloudWatch's monitoring capabilities. CloudTrail specifically records API activity, which is crucial for auditing and compliance. Which AWS service is used to manage and enforce security policies for your machine learning models? Is it A, AWS Identity and Access Management, B, AWS CloudTrail, C, AWS Key Management Service, or D, AWS Shield? The answer is A, AWS Identity and Access Management. AWS Identity and Access Management is used to manage and enforce security policies, ensuring that only authorized users have access to ML models.
Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more practice exams, tips, and tricks. And don't forget to visit birdsey.ai for complimentary study sessions with Birdsey, your AI-powered study partner.